this is the Flynova Trailblazer, which is a flexible DIY track playset, which you can actually enhance your kids because these are STEM toys. So basically this will actually help your kids enhance their imagination, their math skills, engineering skills, and this is based, or you can have it based on science and technology. And with this you can piece together and design some race course with cool 360 degrees loops, sideways and upside down courses for a thrilling race. It is an incredible STEM toy that can help develop creativity and hands-on ability, making it a perfect gift for this upcoming Christmas. You can check the link in the description below because currently this is being funded via Indiegogo, either by cooperating or challenging friends and family, or even solo play to DIY the perfect race course. This is an easy setup, durable, and of course safe. The tracks and cars are mainly made from non-toxic and drop-resistant materials, with a design that ensures there are no sharp edges, allowing anyone to have fun and the playset worry-free. We're gonna check each of the components, but it might be different from what you get, or the count might be different on what you get on the final cell piece, or this, when you get the box. I'm not sure what you'll be getting, but this is being sent by Flynova for me to try out. So we're gonna explore what are the things that you can see inside a box. So you'll have this type of base where you can actually put 3 poles in it. So let's try 1, 2, and 3. So this is best if you want to raise the elevation of a track. As you can see, you can actually do that. No, not like that. You have to put this one there first. Okay, so you also have the poles and also another type of base, which is this. This base and this base can be connected to each other, so you can just basically have it plugged in. It's like plastic can actually just lock by itself, so it's quite easy to put and also connect. And you'll have this last piece at the top, which is the support for the track. So as you can see, the track is very flexible, and also it's not very hard to piece together because it is very easy to put in if you want to put the pieces together, it's very easy. As you can see, it's also very easy to remove. You just have to, it's like breaking a twig. Okay, so that's it. So you can just remove it and put it back, just push it right in, it will lock the pieces together. And this, like the support for the racetrack, there's also a lock right below that racetrack, so it will hold in place, so it won't be moving anywhere. Okay, all right. So you can just slowly connect each of these racetracks, no matter what color you would prefer. Okay, so let's just put this 2 together. Okay, so as you can see, I have already made a single lane track. Alright, so as you can see, it's quite easy for you to piece together and make the race track. Alright, let's move along to the race cars. So we got 2 race cars. It comes in a pair, and you'll have the blue and the red one. And looking at the tires below, it's actually made of plastic. The front tires are actually made of plastic. The back tires are made of plastic, and in the middle they're like teeth for a rubber teething, so that it will actually have a good grip on the racetrack. And in the middle there are like 2 gears. This will hold the car on the track itself. As you can see, the track, there is like a groove in the middle. This will help the car not go off track. Okay. So first things first is you have to add batteries on this because it needs to run on AAA batteries. You need to add 3 AAA batteries. So to open it, you just have to twist the back. Okay, or just pull out the back, and then the front is also a rubber type of cover, and then you can just pull it. You can use this one at the back. You can pull it, and you have to use a screwdriver to remove the battery. Okay, so now I've added the batteries inside, and you can just lock it back using the rubber components of this car. Okay, so now for the red color, although the design looks different, but the principle is the same. And I would suggest that you use a rechargeable battery for this. If not, you end up keep changing and buying batteries. Okay, alright, so there is a power button at the back. Once you press it, then off it goes. Okay? Alright, so the back charge will rotate because the motors are connected to the back charge, and the gears in the middle also rotate because it is connected to the motor as well. Right, so the cars are set. Now we have to set up the racetracks. Some are already connected like that, and also some are still pieces inside. So it might be different on what you'll be receiving. Okay, so let's now build the racetrack. Whoa, look at that. Woo. Wow, it's making me a little bit dizzy, but that was fun. What do you think? Leave down a comment below. If you do have questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And also, do check out the link in the description below. It goes to Indiegogo. You can get this on a special deal price, a discounted price. So make sure you do check that out. And I would say that this is a great gift for your kids, especially Christmas is coming, because it would actually enhance their imagination. There are limitless ways of designing the racetrack. Truly, it is DIY and 100% safe. The only thing that I find it challenging is you have to get the right battery, because for extended racing, you have to get a battery that has longer life, and if you put like a lot of loops like that, it would use up more batteries. But basically you can get good batteries and you would enjoy it more, and make sure it is a rechargeable battery. This has been Christian. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.